X Evo Ultimate 2.0 stock noise level. Okay, what's going on, everybody? We're going to talk about the GTX blade, or this GTX blade. I believe this is what most people use on your X Evo. Now, you can't just slap it right on. It does take a modification to change the hole pattern of your of your steel blade. And of course, the hole pattern, it does raise it up a little bit, so it does take another cam follower for this. So let's get to it. You take your screwdriver, back both of your screws off. All right, here's your blade. That's your original blade. And now that you got your original blade off, don't touch this power button, because it will throw this magnet to the side, and then you will need to fish your shaft back into the middle. I'll show you how. See, it threw it to the side, so you gotta fish it back to the middle. Okay, now if you notice, they got these two brass ferrules. That's where you got your adapter base. Put your adapter base on. You use your two slotted screws included with your modification. That will screw into your ferrules. Now, note, whenever you are screwing your slotted screws down, you do want them to be flush or a little under the part where your steel blade is going to sit, because if these screws are sticking up above this plane right here, it will cause some noise, and it will cause some wear into your blade and on the screws. So snug them down a little bit lower by feel. Okay, we got this out the way. Now your GTX blade, you may or may not have zero gapped it. You take your cam follower, and it presses right in, nice and flush. Now they got these two little raised ferrules right here, and you got your two spring catches right there. See, that snaps right in. Now take your index finger while you're holding your trimmer, and you come over and grab it like that. Boom. And you screw your first screw down. Not tight, just a little snug. I make it look easy because I put these things on and off a bunch. All right, so you got them both kind of snug. Now you can go in, snug them down a little bit more, and there you go. about as quiet as stock. The new GTX Exo blade, the tooth geometry is a little bit different. It's kind of hard to tell. You need to look under a magnifying glass or something. It's a little bit thinner, but let's say that this GTX is a good all-around blade. But yeah, it's ready to do some work now, make you some money. Also, I forgot to note, whenever you get your modification, you're gonna get your 2 slotted screws. That's going to screw your base to your trimmer. If you see how the trimmer is sitting, all right, you're gonna get 2 bases. That way, in case you accidentally drop it and it breaks or pulls one of these slotted screws through the hole, it's better to break this part than break the back end off of here if it lands on the blade, because they don't sell this back piece, I don't believe. They just sell, you know, the lids and stuff like that. All right, so we're going to include 2 adapter bases, a cam follower, your 2 screws to screw your blade to the base, and your 2 slotted screws. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.